So my name is Benjamin Sears, and here at One Fire I am teaching a few pieces of a total curriculum. The first class that I taught was my Sacred Geometry Vinyasa Backbending, which is a complete practice that integrates how the body has its own ratios that allow people to discover or uncover the individual aspects of alignment.
It was a wonderful experience to work with students that were so focused and diligent and so willing to do all the weird things that I ask you to do in my yoga classes. That for me is like the biggest inspiration of the week, is just having been able to connect with and work with people who were just so ready to do the thing, you know? I mean, that's been a real boon and a real inspiration for me. So that's one thing that I'm taking away. So thank you guys for that.